Welcome to the Wyoming Animal Hospital, serving the Wyoming community for the last 50 years. We'll start our tour at reception, where the ladies will probably have some paperwork for you to sign. We have our separate dog and cat waiting rooms, so that our cat friends don't have to sit next to our dog friends when they arrive, because that can make cats nervous. Here's the cat area. This is one of our cat waiting rooms where we don't see any dogs. That way cats won't have to smell the dogs and be extra nervous during their visit. Fine candle products. Next is one of our dog exam rooms, where doctors will see your dog, give vaccines, and all around treat them. Here's our pharmacy, fully stocked for whatever your cat or dog or guinea pig or ferret may need. This is the lab where we do all of our testing in-house. Our blood analyzers, centrifuge, microscope, and a variety of ear cleaners and tests and drugs.
A third of a can of that little brown one.
Next is our radiology, where we take our digital radiographs. And our treatment area, where most of the magic happens. This is our scale, where dogs will come back to be weighed. This is our dental machine, where we do all of our dental cleanings. And our surgery suite, where the doctors will do surgery using the laser top of the line here at the Wyoming Animal Hospital. Next is our cat ward, where our cats will relax in luxury during their stay, either when they're sick or boarding or grooming or after surgery. Through treatment again. Next is our dog kennels. We have our large kennels for our big dogs and small kennels for the smaller dogs. Through the kennels is our storage area, where we have lots of varieties of prescription diets, followed by our isolation ward, where sick pets come so that they won't infect other pets. And finally is grooming, where Melissa, with her 20 years of grooming experience, will make your beautiful pets even more beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and we hope to see you soon.